Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is 232690853. Golf Romeo Tango Oscar. Do you require assistance?
Yes, I require assistance.
What is your position over?
33 degrees north, 20 south.
Barbados 350 miles.
Yes, sir.
Do you require
Affirmative, sir. I required...
Do you require sexual assistance? Over.
Yes, I require sexual assistance. I am under control.
But you said you were sinking. Are you under control now?
No.
What is your ship? Over.
Whoa, whoa.
Whoa, whoa, ship. Do you read me? Over.
I read you poor.
Mayday relay, mayday relay, mayday relay. This is identity, identity, identity. The following message was received from distress vessel at time.
I am not under command. I am not under command.
This is MV Perla.
MV Montana sinking.
How many ships are sinking and all over?
Montana sinking. Over.
One vessel is sinking.
Just one vessel.
DB tanks are not under control.
Ballast has exploded. I repeat, ballast has exploded.
Lala.
Fire extinguisher doesn't fit. Over.
The propeller is gone.
Is the rudder still intact? Over. Is the rudder still intact?
Yes, the rudder is still intact.
Use dredging of anchor. I repeat, use dredging of anchor.
The anchor was lost due to bad weather.
Is MV Alex under control?
No, I am not under control.
What is your distress?
Ship sinking.
I am jettisoning cargo.
What type of cargo are you carrying?
Explosives.
Then why the fuck are you jettisoning cargo?
A few minutes.
You will explode in a few minutes.
Yes, sir. Affirmative.
And I will reach the sky.